Imagine a world just 4.24 light-years away, orbiting our closest stellar neighbor, a planet that could potentially host life, yet remains completely unreachable with our current technology. This isn't science fiction, this is Proxima Centauri b. Let's break down what makes this planet so fascinating and why scientists are absolutely obsessed with it. First, the basics. Proxima Centauri b orbits Proxima Centauri, which is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system, our closest stellar neighbors. At just 4.24 light-years away, that's practically next door in cosmic terms. Now here's where it gets really interesting. This planet sits in what we call the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This means it's at just the right distance from its star where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on its surface. And where there's liquid water, there's potential for life as we know it. But before we get too excited, there are some serious challenges. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, which means it's much smaller and cooler than our Sun. This creates some unique conditions. The planet is likely tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the star while the other remains in perpetual darkness. This could create extreme temperature differences across the planet. But here's the counterintuitive part. This tidal locking might actually help potential life survive. The Terminator line, the boundary between day and night, could create temperate zones where conditions are just right. The dark side might be frozen solid, while the star-facing side gets bombarded with radiation, but that middle ground could be perfect. Speaking of radiation, that's another major challenge. Red dwarf stars are known for frequent and powerful stellar flares. Proxima Centauri b gets hit with about 400 times more X-ray radiation than Earth receives from our Sun. Any potential life would need serious radiation protection to survive. Now, let's talk about what we actually know about this world. The planet was discovered in 2016 using the radial velocity method, which detects tiny wobbles in the star's motion caused by an orbiting planet's gravitational pull. We estimate it's about 1.3 times the mass of Earth, making it a super-Earth. It completes an orbit every 11.2 Earth days, meaning its year is incredibly short compared to ours. But here's the million-dollar question. Does it have an atmosphere? This is crucial because an atmosphere could protect against radiation and help regulate temperature. Recent studies using the James Webb Space Telescope have been trying to answer this, but it's incredibly difficult to detect from such a great distance. The potential implications are staggering. If Proxima Centauri b does turn out to be habitable, it would mean that life-supporting planets might be common throughout the galaxy. We'd have proof that Earth isn't unique. This would completely reshape our understanding of our place in the universe. But here's the reality check. Even though it's our closest exoplanet, getting there is still science fiction. At our current technology, it would take tens of thousands of years to reach Proxima Centauri b. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot AIM to send tiny spacecraft there using laser sails. But we're talking about centuries before we could potentially get close-up data. So why are scientists so focused on this particular planet? Because it represents our best chance to study a potentially habitable world up close, relatively speaking. As telescope technology improves, we'll be able to analyze its atmosphere for biosignatures, chemical signs that could indicate life. The discovery of oxygen, methane, or other biomarkers in its atmosphere would be revolutionary. Proxima Centauri b represents both incredible promise and frustrating limitations. It's close enough to study but too far to visit. It might be habitable but faces extreme challenges. It could host life, but we may never know for sure. This cosmic neighbor continues to capture our imagination precisely because it sits at that perfect intersection of possibility and mystery. What do you think? Could Proxima Centauri b actually host life? Or are the challenges too great? Share your thoughts in the comments below and follow for more mind-blowing space discoveries.